Today, I'm going to walk you through how to leave a Telegram group using the desktop app. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to step out of any group chat, whether you're tidying up your chats or just want to declutter your notifications. It's quick, straightforward, and you'll feel confident handling your group settings on Telegram. Let's dive right in. First things first, you'll want to open up the Telegram application on your computer. Just double-click the Telegram icon or open it from your Start menu or dock, however you usually launch your apps. And if you're already logged in, you're good to go. If not, simply sign in with your phone number as usual. It's a good habit to make sure you're using the official Telegram app, not a third-party client, since the experience and options can vary slightly. Next, take a look at your chat list on the left side of your Telegram window. This is where all your conversations live: private messages, channels, and of course, group chats. Find the group you want to leave. Sometimes the group name is clear, but if you're in a lot of groups, here's a quick tip. Groups typically have a small group icon next to their name so you can spot them easily. Click on that group to open the chat. Now, to access the group's info, look right at the top of the chat window. You'll see the group's name and maybe its icon or picture. Give that a click. Alternatively, if you don't see the name, look for the three-dot menu icon in the upper right corner of the Telegram window. Clicking this will also bring up more options, just like the settings menus you see in other apps. Either way, you're now inside the group's details panel. Once you're here, just scroll down through the information panel. You'll notice various details about the group, maybe a list of members, and near the bottom you'll find an option labeled something like Leave Group. Sometimes Telegram updates its wording, so you might see Delete and Leave, especially for groups where you've created your own messages. If you're worried about losing chat history, just know that Leave keeps the group's history in your Telegram unless you specifically choose Delete and Leave, which erases it for you. Alright, now comes the moment of decision. Click on Leave or Leave Group. Telegram will prompt you to confirm. This is a safety net to make sure you don't accidentally leave a group with one wrong click. Read the message, and when you're sure, press Leave again. This step is there to give you a moment to pause, especially if you're leaving an important work group or a family chat. Don't worry, nobody in the group gets an alert that you've left. It'll simply appear that you're no longer a part of it, and you'll stop getting notifications from that chat. And that's it. You've successfully left the group, and your Telegram experience just got a bit more streamlined. If you ever want to rejoin a group, you'll need a new invite link from someone inside, so just keep that in mind. I hope this tutorial made the process crystal clear. If you found it helpful, please hit that like button to support the channel. Got questions or want to share your experience with Telegram groups? Drop a comment below. I love hearing from you and am happy to help. For more easy tech tutorials, make sure to subscribe so you never miss out. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.